Hey, what's up, Phantom Fam? How is everyone doing? And guess what I'm riding today? Yes, this is a special feature collab motovlog. I have been given this bike by my friend Savio, who runs two blogs. One is called Leh, and he specifically wanted me to test out something special. So let's roll the intro. So guys, I'm gonna try and keep it as to the point, and specifically, I'm sure by now everyone knows majority of the road conditions in India, specifically on B roads. If you want to go, you are going to have to deal with bad patches, and if you have a bike which is not a Himalayan or specifically made for off-road, then obviously you're putting your tires at risk and everything that just goes with it. But see how easily I'm riding here. I'm not having any sort of rear wheel spin, not even when I brake. This is because I'm running on special Ralco tires made for off-road, and I'm just going to now demonstrate. Alright guys, so I'm gonna test these Ralco tires, both the front and back. On this stretch I've been doing I've done already over 100 kilometers of mixed testing, tarmac, good roads, guard sections. But what specifically these tires are meant for is off-road road conditions like this, even gravel, slush, things like that. Now I obviously cannot test out the slush part, but sure enough, so I'll give you an idea now. Guys, I'm planning to do, if you've been following the channel and following me on my Instagram, you know that I've been planning to do a Ladakh trip sometime in 2019. So my choice of tires is definitely going to be these. Plus, as you can see, there's a Zana crash guard in front here, which is meant for adventure touring riding. Now I will give you a walk around in a bit, but here's just to give you an idea of the feel. Absolutely cool. I'm in third gear, no problems, no wheel spins when I do this, and you all know I do this on my KTM as well. It gets quite tricky, but no such problem. Look at how bad that patch was. There you go. Stones. A little uphill. No problem whatsoever.
He hasn't slept in probably 7 days.
Line him up and shoot him dead. I wanna see him fly till it all ends. And why I'm frontin', cause they all pussies. Everybody wants something, but it ain't bushy. Toss them in the air and hope they get choked. When they land on the ground, I'll kick them in the throat. Cold star to the nose, pipe for a fight. And I'm about to do the shit for my own life all night. And this is stupid. Every other brand that I see is fucking boosted, dog, like damn. And this is music. Every other man that I see is gonna lose it. Y'all might finger banger entertain, I really don't know. So I'm just gonna sing a song that I wrote for this whole damn. Why you wanna be a douchebag about it all? Telling everyone you know some goddamn hoe. I think I got my swagger back.
Don't you get nervous?
No, not really. Because I know my boys got this. They got this.
That's not what the other team said.
We don't care what they say. We're bringing it.
Fucking when they wanna hear about it, cause I can't lie. I'm on my own shit, no gears, let's ride. Ride around
I'm riding the Pulsar 200 NS, and this is very comfortable. Trust me when I say that. Yes, there are some other mods which you will have to do for a ride like Ladakh. People do it on normal tires as well, but I'm saying if you want to do better speed, if you want to stay safe, then it's best you have the tires that are meant for it. So let me just pull over here and show you the tires. So this is the bike, guys. As you can see, the Pulsar 200 NS, and this is the rear tire, the Ralco Speed Blaster. The size I'll tell you is 140 by 70 and 17-inch rubber. So here's to give you a better look. And at front I have Ralco as well. It's called Ralson here, but it's made by Ralco itself, and as you can see, it's quite a decent rubber. Again, let me see if I can show you the size. Yes guys, so it's 100 by 80 and 17-inch rubber again. Now guys, what these tires are not meant for is cornering. So any high speed cornering, if you want to do knee downs and all that during a touring, I would highly suggest you do not go for these tires, because as you can see, there will be no grip when you're cornering, and you are bound to have a washout. And as I said, check this Zana crash guard, really sturdy. The bike is a little dirty because I've been doing a lot of off-road riding, dusty conditions here in and around Pune. But as you can see, it protects the radiator very well. It's got this part which will take a slide, and it also protects your engine casing. Same is on the other side. Now what I've also tried, guys, is to use this to mount my secondary camera or something to record different angles of my ride. So this can come in handy. Plus, if you want to mount, say, extra floodlights or fog lights for touring, this can come in handy. You know, you can mount it here or here depending on how you want it, or at the bottom. Zana makes saddle stays as well, so it'll come at the back here. So if you're traveling with a passenger, the passenger can sit comfortably while you mount your luggage on the side. So that's it, guys. This is my review of the Ralco tires. Let me know what do you think. Also let me know what other things you can think of. Like I said, we will need to raise the handlebar a little bit to make it more comfortable, or I can just go with a different choice of a handlebar. But that's it. That's my review. If you found it useful, helpful, please like this video. Please share it with your friends who are planning this. All the information about the tires and the crash guard is down in the description, so check it out. Leave a comment, guys. Share the video. Support the channel by subscribing. Thank you, everybody. Ride safe, and until next time, Phantom Sam, Phantom Rise out.
And this is stupid. Every other brand that I see is fucking boosted. Y'all like damn. And this is music. Every other man that I see is gonna lose it. Y'all